Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi and very good morning everybody. So I'm the second last presenter. We will be presented from Majlis Perbandaran Batu Pahat. So this is the second time I'm here for present our product, what we call SmartGIS MPBP. So first of all, before I start, I would like to thank you to Esri Malaysia Sdn Bhd for inviting us. This is the second time I'm here in the same stage, but different. But today, of course, for Geo Innovation Award, thanks again. Okay. And then, before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce our team from Majlis Perbandaran Batu Pahat. We are here in the left room. Here is Tuan Haji Abdul Karim bin Bakar, our Setiausaha Majlis Perbandaran Batu Pahat. Encik Syahril bin Karjo, our head of department, planning department. Puan Maslin Ruhaila, our head of finance. And the most important person in the back of SmartGIS development is Encik Saiful Akmal bin Adan, our head of IT department. Also we call it Abe Cepul. Okay, Abe Cepul. Alright. Okay. My topic is empowering smart city through SmartGIS. Okay. We related this SmartGIS through smart city. Okay. This is our content of my presentation. Is a little bit profile MPBP. Okay, the issue and the challenges, and then also you want to know about GIS roadmap from MPBP, also our data model and juga repository. SmartGIS portal, this is our main product, application and also moving forward. Okay. Alright. Okay, I continue my presentation. Okay. This is a little bit profile from MPBP. Maybe everybody is not come from Johor. So we are a part of a district in Johor. We are divided into two in Batu Pahat. We also have Majlis Daerah Yomping, and we are now in Majlis Perbandaran Batu Pahat. Okay, in covered 92,000 hectare, with numbers population is 400. So it's quite challenge with us to manage our data in through GIS in Batu Pahat. Okay, we also have a 75,000 taxpayer, which is we need to manage. Okay. Okay, before we go further, in Batu Pahat, we are currently match our program with a smart city program, which is any development, any planning, we conclude into our smart city initiative. That's why Batu Pahat has come up with Batu Pahat Smart City Framework, where SmartGIS is a part of smart city initiative. Okay, if you look into this component on the smart city program, smart governance. There are two indicators, which is online visit municipal open data, and also open data on city services. That's why we come up with SmartGIS MPBP. Okay, this is our reference. It's not only for GIS purpose and all the development planning and also in Batu Pahat. Okay. Okay. Before we go further, this is an issue and also challenges that we have faced in Batu Pahat. Okay. No internal reference data, no data sharing. So we come up with silo data. What do we have? More than 200 layers that we have. Well, we need to manage all the data. Okay. No interactive dashboard. This is important. So so the public is not accessible to any information or data that we have. So irregular data storage, so much data we keep in each department that we have, and also data updated separately by officers. So we need more officers to manage our data in our organization. Okay, this is ABBP roadmap. Okay, before we start plan for deploy our planning for GIS, this is we are always update and keep on in my mind where is we are. So we are started in 2015 from spatial data collection, whereas we are start using MetInfo and AutoCAD and so on. This is not integrated, what do you call it, data management. And then since 2019, we have start with CMAP. Okay, CMAP. This one is a web-based application we develop for intention to share our data to public. Okay, but this is still not as integrated data management. Okay, so by 2020, okay, we strengthening our GIS unit under our new head of the department, Encik Syaril, to make it is more integrated data management and GIS. Okay, so in 2020 we evaluate our current GIS project, and then also basic data collection. That we have a lot of data that we collect start from 2015, 15. So we don't know how to use all the data. Okay, since we are moving into the GIS platform, so we updating the existing information, and juga we plan to upgrade the GIS software using ArcGIS platform. That is started where we are now. Okay, so by 2021, we come up with MBBP GIS transformation program, whereas we are planned for 5 years program, which is GIS database development using ArcGIS Enterprise. Okay, we are using ArcGIS Pro, and we develop our new portal, which we call it is SmartGIS, and we development for application and also dashboard. Okay, so since 2021, we are start with Esri product to make it our data management is realized. Okay, so we plan start from 2021 to 2025. Okay, we have planned every year, every session, what we want to do every year. We start with planning and development, planning and implementation. 2023, we come out also in implementation. Okay, so the next now onwards, we are now going to GIS empowerment and consolidation. Okay, so we have faced it in 3 phases now since 2020. We are on the good track to make it our data GIS is useful for everybody. Okay, this is what we call it, how we plan every single years to make it this GIS is useful for everybody. Okay, so after 5 years, we are now, since Encik Syaril pun just now told me we are ready for the next 5 years planning for GIS in MPBP toward make it merge with Smart City, whereas since 2025 to 2030, that one is in line in our Smart City initiative, where is since now and in 2030, we are declare Batu Pahat as a smart and low carbon cities. Okay. I go to this is what we call MBBP GIS data model and repository. Okay, we will use ArcGIS Enterprise. As far as now, we are now version 11. We will upgrade to version 11, and ArcGIS Pro version 3.2. Okay, I think this is latest one version that we use. Okay, all the server is in Promise server, and also we collaborate in PGN to share our data to public. Okay. This is a SmartGIS portal, where is our main platform to distribute our data to public. Okay, we divide into two. We have a public access and also for the internal access data, where is we call it open data portal. It is public can access everybody, where is it's not only in Batu Pahat, where is you are, you can access this application. And we also have a dashboard and so on in internet access. Okay, this is the application that we have done. Actually, more than this dashboard, RG story map, field maps, survey 1, 2, 3, RG's app builder that I use every single apps that on enterprise version to make it SmartGIS is very useful for everybody. Okay, so when we look at it into the dashboard, actually we have two type of dashboard. First one is no integration, which is all the data that we have or collect in our department, and also we use for internal reference. Okay. For the next is dashboard is more important, whereas our dashboard is integrated into another system. Okay, for the first one, this one is we call it development planning control, whereas we have our own apps system that we call is development planning system EPP, whereas all the planning permission come into the system, whereas we manage more than 130 applications per month, per year, and then also we don't have any spatial data to monitor. Okay, we don't have know how many total numbers of revenue collection based on planning permission come into this. So what we can do is we integrate with EPP system into EPP dashboard using the RGIS Enterprise. Okay, this is what we call dashboard for planning. So in that particular usage, we know how many collection that we have based on planning permission that we know. And also we can go to monitor where is a new application come in, compared to existing land use that we have, and also we can check the surrounding area related to a new application coming into MPBP. Okay. Another one is public complaints monitoring system, whereas in Batu Pahat we also using CISPA as a main gateway for public complaint. Okay, so we also need the dashboard to make it this all the data monitoring complaint to monitor where is how many complaint that we have, where is the monitor complaint where is come in. Okay, that's why we come out this dashboard so we can monitor. Okay, how many complaint that we have, and then the main important thing is where is a location of complaint is coming. Okay, so in this case, in corporate department can manage our complaint so very clearly. Okay, we go to the tax property and also asset management. As I mentioned just now, is we have 75,000 taxpayer in Batu Pahat, whereas the data was not mapped. It's not. We don't have any special data. That data monitoring also so manually. We use Excel file and download the PDF file to know where is the taxpayer location. Okay, so we integrate into ePBT, what we call ePBT, where all the data on taxpayer there. So into our dashboard, So here is, we map all the taxpayer into the spatial data. So at the same time, we can monitor all the, where is everybody in Batu Pahat is already paid or not, your taxpayer. So also we can check every single point, location, completely settle your taxpayer bill or not, okay? So, and then we can get numbers of our collection. This is a real-time information for tax collection integrated into the APBT system. Okay, another one is asset management. We also have more than 100 assets in Batu Pahat, whereas we manage our asset. Before this, we don't have any location, we don't have any information about this asset. So we map into this SmartGIS and we preview it on this dashboard. In the same dashboard, what do you call it? Dashboard Cukai dan Harta. So this is for valuer department reference for now. Okay, this is another solution and another use what we have used for GIS in Batu Pahat. We use as a real-time attendance record monitoring, which is real-time updating data, more transparent data, attendance monitoring more efficient and faster, and also data transmit more quickly. This is also we use the Esri software, and then we integrate into the dashboard so we can monitor attending for the real time. So everybody can see, for example, we can check every section attending. So this is based on what you registered in registration counter. Okay. This is also, for example, some of uses that we have done before using SmartGIS dashboard and also SmartGIS survey 1, 2, 3. Okay. Another one is I'm also use SmartGIS story maps to develop. Actually, I also have done to develop another story map also for smart city journey for Batu Pahat. And then story map is one of the powerful apps that you can share to the public. What is your story for your department, for your activities, some on. Okay. This is another web apps. Also, we develop. This is a rank number 1. Is it? Lot finder and residential area. Normally, you just develop a lot finder, but in Batu Pahat, we also find the residential area for user. So this is one of most viewers we track, and also it can be managed to check more than 300 residential area, and also you can also find your more than 143,000 lot in Batu Pahat. So you don't have to go to my office to ask Cik Syam, lot 3121 ni kat mana? Okay, so we just share this information to public, okay, and public can be accessed anywhere to find where is the location. Okay, one of our apps also we develop a conciliation area, okay, for parliament and DON. And another one is field maps. Field maps this is one of the interested apps that we also use. This is for on-ground working, for updating the data on land use. It's not focusing on land use, but everything that data that you have, you can updating through your tab or through your phone directly, and also the information integrated into the dashboard directly. So that we call it, where is the data management on GIS is very important. Okay, after I use all the thing is what we share before. The impact of implementation of SmartGIS using the Azri software. So this the impact of MPBP after we use more easier and effective data sharing. So we have our own portal, SmartGIS portal. The public can access. We increase the numbers of users, and also data sharing security is more secure. Whereas our data is stored in our premise. No more data that we have stored in vendor office. Okay, more interactive and interesting data display. This is one of quite interesting. We have a much more dashboard, multiple usage, and can referring to our decision making. Okay, more effective data layer management. How to manage that we are called. I said before, we have more than 200 layers to manage. So this is more effective data layer can be managed. Okay. Okay, this is the last slide. It's a moving forward. What we have done in Batu Pahat. We have actually, before we start with our next 5 years planning to 2030, we are more geospatial data application sharing to the public. We can make it a more data, more information, online mapping, and integrate into the payment gateway, whereas the data that we have in our own portal, it can be buy by everybody through online system. And then we can also develop our smart land use monitoring system and also open data policy for geospatial. So this open data is, have you know, when you have more data, that you have a policy, a special policy to manage your data so you can share to the public. Okay? So more recognition at the higher level. This must be in our list to moving forward. Okay? Here, today is a Geo Innovation Award. Our target is next for SAG, if can be realized or not. So much more effort can be towards this recognition. Okay, more collaboration with geospatial platform agencies. This is our target. We have already integrated into Malaysia Geospatial Hub, MyGeoHub, into the platform. And also, maybe it's coming in is Malaysia Urban Observatory. MUO team is also here today, can be? Okay, so Johor Urban Observatory, we have already discussed into the Johor State, into make it this Johor Urban Observatory linked into our local urban observatory, which is this our platform in Batu Pahat, and also our integration with interagencies to make it all the data share is related to the big data sharing together. This is a beauty of GIS in our GIS environment. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention, everybody.